Chris picked like the perfect day. Not just the weather, but also this little babbling brook out our driver window.
As the weight of the vehicle gets onto this, it's going to go forward and lift the car at the same time. So they can be used to gain clearance as well as traction. Has anybody used traction boards before? Okay, this is gonna be fun. So again, it's all about traction and clearance. And in this case, what Laura's doing is she's just lessening our rolling resistance. So we're more likely to be able to get onto the board and move forward. By hooking the hook to both sides of this and pulling on them evenly, that's not going to choke the tree and it's going to disperse the force. So it's safer, you're not going to damage your equipment, you're not going to damage the environment either. That is correct. Beautiful. What do we say?
Live line.
Woo! Live line. A little bit past it. There you go. You actually want to turn into that beam a little bit and just bring it down nice and slow. Keep coming slowly down. Good. Yep, little slide, that's okay. Here it goes. Forward.
Bringing your own Bronco gives you the confidence and the ability to know how your Bronco works, whether it be a 2-door or a 4-door. There's so many different gadgets and so many different modes that if you don't have an expert Ford person teaching you what you need to know, you're not going to have a safe trip. You're not going to be able to go home and have a good experience.
These are things that I would have looked at and thought, no, I'm not going to do that in my Bronco, and it was totally capable of doing it, and we got through all sorts of things that I would not have thought of trying on my own.
First, you learn a lot about what your vehicle is capable of, and second, it's a whole lot of fun. It's pretty simple.